All right, boys and girls, back here at Cook's place working on another fine kitchen. This one's a dandy, little tiny kitchen. What a beauty. Big old hardware, big old tall cabinets. You can house a lot of food, dishes, or liquor, beer, whatever you want to house in these cabinets. Yeah, nice. Real nice. Nice island. Back here is one of the bathrooms. This one I guess we're going to call the master bathroom. And go to the guest bathroom over here. Yeah. Yeah, that's a little dinky guy there. But it's nice. You sit right next to the shitter. And there you go, real close. All right, well, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.